All right, here's example 2. Now on this example, you'll see we have a fraction in here, but we're not going to let that trick us. We know how to multiply by fractions. So again, since we see that there is division in this problem, we are going to use the inverse operation of multiplication to solve the problem. So since the left side right now is divided by 2/5, again, we're going to multiply both sides by 2/5 to find our answer. Now, on the left side, we know that using this inverse operation means that we're really just canceling out that division. So we're left with just our variable, which is c. Now, 6 times 2/5. Let's not forget how to do this. So I'll do it on the part over here, 6 times 2/5. Now, since we have a whole number on the left side, as a reminder to multiply that by a fraction, we're just going to put it over a denominator of 1. And then we multiply across the top and multiply across the bottom. 6 times 2 we know is 12, and 1 times 5 is 5. Now that leaves us with an improper fraction, and we know if we can, we should always change improper fractions to mixed numbers. As a reminder, to change this from an improper fraction to a mixed number, we see how many times the denominator can go into the numerator up top. And we know that 5 can go into 12 2 whole times, because that would give us 10, but we're left with 2 extra out of 5. As a way to check that, we know that 2 and 2/5, if we reversed it and put it back into an improper fraction, we can go around the world to check it. 5 times 2 is 10, plus 2 is 12. So that 12/5 does change to 2 and 2/5. So when we multiplied 6 times 2/5, we got 2 and 2/5. So going back to our original problem now, since we had done that, we know that c is equal to 2 and 2/5. If we wanted to check our answer, we could always do that. We could see if 2 and 2/5 divided by 2/5 equals 6. So let's check that. Work your way around the world to change this to an improper fraction. So 2 and 2/5, 5 times 2 is 10, plus 2 is 12. So 12/5 we're going to keep. Remember, keep, change, and then flip. So we have 5 over 2. 12 times 5 across the top is 60. 5 times 2 on the bottom is 10. Simplifying that improper fraction to a whole number, we do get 6. So our answer does check out, that c equals 2 and 2/5.